to the Super Mega Hyper Game Show. Who's gonna play our game today? You, that's you. That's right. Come on down. Yes, you. This is your lucky day. I said, this is your lucky day. Now come on down. Hey, thanks for popping by. But if you quit now to finish your tasty beverage, then who will win our grand prize? Well, Chuck, our winner today will receive a lifetime supply of Pickalicious Pickle Power Extreme, the delicious, nutritious power drink that will give you extreme vitality, powerful energy, and just a touch of nausea. Yes, Pickle Power with its multitude of uses will make your life a dream come true. Why not relax and enjoy a glass while Pickle Power Extreme handles all of your tough cleaning chores? Pickle Power Extreme. It's Pickalicious. Available at all reputable hardware stores. May cause warts, moles, balding, fleas, cooties, and should not be taken with food. Enjoy Pickle Power Extreme at your own risk. Chuck? I take it you're in. Good. Oh, I almost forgot. You'll be going up against... You know him. You mock him. It's El Destructo! And his much brighter sidekick, El Destructo Jr. Let's play! Round one. Many great scholars have been puzzled by this famous conundrum. 1 + 1 equals what? Take your time, contestants. This is a tricky question. El Destructo rings in first. What is your answer, El? Oh no, that is just so wrong. It's slime time! I love this game. Round 2, Sumo Madness! To advance to the next round, you must remove your opponent from that platform. After years of training, El Destructo's body has become a finely tuned machine. Just look at those hand moves. Designed to distract and confuse his opponent, he carefully moves in to deliver the final... Oh, wait! We've never seen this one before! That is quite a fall. Ouch, what an upset. Round 3, Pugil Stick Battle-rama! Our contestant must stay on his tower to advance to the next round. El Destructo wastes no time. Look at that combat-tested precision. What technique, what style. Our contestant should be giving up right about now. Oh, that came out of nowhere. Round 4, Treadmill Mayhem! All you have to do is make it to the finish line on a tricycle to complete the task. Oh, and watch out for El Destructo and El Destructo Jr. There he goes! And there goes El Destructo. That easy chair's not gonna make his life any easier, and he better not start feeling too safe. El Destructo wants to tire this guy out, and he's not just clowning around, he's all moosed done him in. This is not the time to be too picky, folks! Someone please stop me! No, seriously, stop me! Well, well, our contestant sure made short work out of this obstacle course. But wait, El Destructo has one more trick up his sleeve. An elephant toss, or should I say an elephant drop. Ouch! Round 5. Congratulations! You're the first to ever make it this far. But are you ready for the final challenge? The Gauntlet! Yeah! Ready? Good. Go, go, go! Let's see how he fares against the colossal Robo-Basher! With El Destructo Jr. in the driver's seat, I wouldn't want to be in the challenger's shoes. For those with weak stomachs, now would be a good time to turn away. This is about to get ugly. It looks like it's all over for our courageous challenger. But wait! It's the old crayon dummy trick. Very clever. The challenger has made it this far on luck, but it will take more than luck for him to get past the pool of pain. It will take gumballs. Gumballs? Here's Junior! He's gonna wish that he stayed with those masticating crocs now that El Destructo has him in the crosshairs of his basketball cannon. Destructo is showing no mercy tonight. He's in the lane and driving for the basket. And here's Junior for the assist. That's it! I can't look! It's all over now for our challenger! All those dreams of Pickle-Aid now dashed in the arena of anguish. Oh, the humanity! What? Junior seems to have lost power to the suit. I thought I told him to plug that thing in last night. And what's this? Uh-oh, the target's been hit. No one has ever hit the target before. You've won! I can't believe you won. That's not supposed to happen. We should get that fixed. Who would have thought someone would really win? No pickles were harmed during the making of this show. Mount Forget About It. The world's last unconquered peak rises majestically above an unspoiled wilderness. Mountaineers have been trying to reach its summit for centuries, but scaling its icy face has proven to be a challenge. But still, it beckons, touching the hearts of courageous spirits like yourselves, eager adventurers, and thrill-hungry explorers. What do you say? Good. Let's get started. With just a few basic necessities, you'll be ready to overcome any obstacle Mount Forget About It can throw at you. The lighter an explorer's load, the easier the climbing will be. It's a good idea to have a dedicated partner with whom you can trade off duties should the going get rough. You've reached base camp, a place to stop, take stock, and consider options for the journey ahead. While it may be true that a climber is only as good as his equipment, sometimes you actually have to use your head for more than just a hat rack. This is the time when your climbing buddy can truly be your best friend. The most basic tool in a mountaineer's kit is his coil of rope. Its usefulness in bringing the climber closer to his ultimate goal cannot be underestimated. The mountaineer's motto, "Never give up," has a special meaning to some who seem never to know when to quit.
But try, and try again. No matter how impossible the odds seem, man and nature as one. What could be more inspiring or more ridiculous? But the tenacious climber will be rewarded when he comes face to face with sights that the less rugged can only imagine. You cannot buy this type of feeling, and why would you want to? Another crest, another test, and an unexpected guest. Nature has gifted its most agile creatures with the tools to easily conquer what would condemn others to certain doom. Only fools would attempt to follow in the footsteps of these remarkable climbers. Without perfect balance, razor-sharp focus, and a finely tuned knowledge to expect the unexpected, it's sometimes best to look for smarter, safer options. Extreme cold fronts can move in without warning, dropping to sub-zero temperatures at a moment's notice. But a breath of that biting mountain air can provide an experience that cannot be matched anywhere on the planet. What causes these sudden shifts in climate and high elevation? Even the experts are baffled. Driving rain, raging blizzards. To attempt to understand it would be to attempt to unravel the very mystery of nature itself. Okay, where were we? Sometimes it's best to leave the big questions to the bigger minds and simply take cover in the safe havens nature has provided. At last, thanks to perseverance, patience, and a dash of dumb luck, you've made it. Well, almost. Good work, adventurers! Your world will never be the same. Each day that passes will leave you longing for another perilous adventure, because every explorer brings back with him a little something from the natural world that will stay with him forever. Welcome to make your own Happy Chef Pizza. It's gonna make you very happy in the tummy. Before you make the pizza, make sure you have plenty of counter space. Good. Now open your Happy Chef Pizza kit. Use the flour and the water to make the pizza dough. Next, to make your dough rise, open the yeast and add half of its contents to the dough. Make sure you don't use more than half. To turn the dough into pizza crust. For a perfect shape and thickness, carefully lift the dough with both hands and give it a good spin as you toss it in the air. Ah! Sauce is the heart and soul of your Happy Chef Pizza. For a zesty homemade sauce, chop a clove of garlic and add an onion into a skillet. Now, get ready for one of the happiest dining experiences of your life. When things start to sizzle, add a tomato. The Happy Chef has provided you with one, but to be sure it's ripe, hold it up to eye level and squeeze gently. A fresh, ripe tomato is firm and has some spring to it. When you're sure your tomato is ripe and fresh, crash it into your frying pan to capture its flame. Putting a sauce on a pizza is an art form all its own. Some pizza chefs use a butter knife. Others prefer the bottom of a soup ladle. As with any art, each artist must find what works best.
The trick is to spread it not too thin, but not too thick, and even all around. A time to top off your masterpiece with the toppings. Cheese, mushrooms, sausage. And whatever else you like. Now, put your pie in the oven, set your timer, and get ready to enjoy. The only way you're not a very happy chef right now is if you forgot to turn on the oven. But the happy chef's got just the thing for you. How's that for convenience? Congratulations, pizza maker! There's only one thing left to do to make your pizza experience complete. Clean up! Seriously now. Clean up!